As we added our third salesperson, I started realizing something. I was losing visibility into the sales process. When it was just one or two of us, I could keep a pretty close eye on everything. But once the team started growing, I found myself kind of disconnected from what was happening in the field. And the truth is, most of the time, we're just reacting. We get a call, something doesn't fit, a measurement was wrong, maybe we ordered something wrong, and by the time we find out about it, it's already install day. At that point, the money's already been spent, the product's already been ordered, and now we're dealing with rework. Sometimes it's not the whole job, but it's enough line items that it still hurts. The challenge for me as the owner is I just don't have time to go behind everybody and double check every measure sheet. And honestly, we never really had a standardized way to review them anyway. One thing I really like about the app and the reports is the automatic highlighting of the dimensions. It sounds simple, but that visual cue gives the team something they can validate against. And for me, as the owner, it gives me a quick control mechanism. I can look at the report and instantly see if something looks off. When you're trying to scale a team, those kinds of built-in checks are really valuable. It just gives you a little more confidence that the decisions being made in the field are the right ones